I'm J.D. McGuire, owner of AIP Tactical. I'm going to show you a simple install to replace the carrier dog follower spring on your 870 Police. A lot of the operations of the 870 take place with the carrier, lifting the shells up so that you can load them. This action is controlled by your carrier dog, which is this, and underneath it is a plunger, carrier dog follower, and in that body is a spring. Now, most of the Remington shotguns come with a carrier dog follower spring that's in this trigger plate assembly. It's silver. The 870 Police is the only one that comes with this black spring. This black spring is actually a Model 1100 carrier latch spring, but it is used in the 870 Police as the carrier dog spring. So if you want to upgrade your weapon, $3.20 by calling Remington and order that spring is about one of the best speed and function weapon upgrades you can do. Now, in my videos, I don't use armor tools. I try to use things that guys have around. For this procedure, that's an armor tool called a silver bullet. But we're not going to use it. What we're going to use is this Phillips head screwdriver. So you're going to find a Phillips head screwdriver that's the same size as this barrel pin here that we're going to push out. Okay? So what we're going to do, starting from this side, we're going to push this barrel pin out. Okay? See how easy that pushed out. And then we're going to kind of capture it. We're going to pull our screwdriver back out. Then we're going to slowly release the carrier. It's going to come up in your hands. See how the plunger comes up? So we don't want it to fly out. Like in some my other videos, I mentioned Remington has a special steel. Somehow, I'm telling y'all, son, somehow they figured out that as this stuff flies through the air, it mixes with the oxygen and it evaporates. You ain't going to find it. It ain't going to be on the shop floor. It ain't going to be nowhere. So when I say capture something, listen to me. That's the carrier dog follower spring. And again, I say with all my videos, if this part was working and you were just doing an upgrade, do not throw this away. Put it in a little envelope, catalog it. There's a day coming, folks, when parts might get very hard to get for our weapons. We don't know what they're going to be able to do to us here in a few years. Okay, to replace it, and this is a good time if you have an older weapon. I'm sorry, I should have had this right here. I got some very special gunsmith tools for this. It's called a Q-tip. If you've got an older weapon and you're changing it out, get that Q-tip down in there and get all that gunk and mess out of there. Get it all cleaned out. Okay, now we're going to put our spring back in, slide our plunger on, make sure that your carrier's up, okay? And you're going to, the hammer has to be cocked for this too. You're going to slide it over, and you want the plunger to fit right under this little ledge on the carrier dog, okay? Then get it started in the hole, push it in, get your screwdriver through. Now, with our silver bullet, our barrel pin fits right over the end and we just push it right through. Well, to use this screwdriver, it's going to be a little bit harder, but what we're going to do, I'm going to put my thumb, I got this at enough where you can see it, Jason? Mm-hmm. You're going to hold your thumb on top of this carrier. You're going to start pushing the barrel pin. You're going to get it sliding through the hole. There you go. Now, to get it over to the other side, you're going to have to push this down. See how I'm, and whap, there it is. We just changed it out, folks. You're going to find your carrier has a lot better action on it with that black spring instead of this silver spring.